Hello, and welcome back to Tutorial Tuesdays. Today I'm going to be going over this beginner combo. This combo consists of 3 different moves and also 3 transitions. For the first move, we're going to be doing some horizontal hooping. I'm not exactly sure of the name, but we're just going to call it around the world. I'm starting with my right hand. I'm going to be tossing it towards the left. I'm going to be sticking my hand inside my hoop, and the hoop is just going to glide around my hand. Go ahead and grab the hoop after it circles around your hand one time. Once you have that direction down, go ahead and try it in the other direction. Once you got that first move down, we're going to be moving into our first transition. This one's pretty simple. You're just going to be going from a horizontal plane to a vertical plane and wrapping it around your body. Twist the hoop down so that your hand is next to your head, and we're going to be going into our next move, which is the weave. Now the weave is different from regular hand hooping because we're not going to be spinning the hoop around our hand. It's going to be stationary in one place as we twist our wrist around. While doing this move, try and keep your grip loose. Starting from where we would have our hoop from that transition, you're going to be twisting your hoop down towards the ground, and then you're going to bring it up in front of you, and then bring it down back behind you. And the same thing over and over again. It looks pretty funny without the hoop, but sometimes it's a good idea to just practice the wrist motion. Our next transition move, we're going to bring the hoop up and twist our hand. This just gives a little extra something to your flow. After that transition move, we're actually going to go into another transition move. And this is just a little toss. You can either do it underneath your hand, or you can do it underneath your leg. Our last and final move is going to be something called a C roll. It's going to be coming up our arm, over our chest, and down our other arm. I'm going to bring it up onto my hand using my pointer finger and push it onto my wrist. Use the flick of your wrist for momentum and concave your body to form the shape of the hoop. Alright guys, once you have all the moves and transitions down, go ahead and put them together and have some fun. I hope you guys learned a lot from this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see more later on.